Ever wondered how secure your wireless network really is? Well, that's what wireless pen testing tools help us figure out. In the realm of network security, these tools are not just important, they're indispensable. You see, pen testing or penetration testing is a methodical process of probing a network or system to uncover vulnerabilities. Think of it as a simulated cyber attack, but one that's conducted to bolster security rather than compromise it. In this process, a variety of tools come into play, each with a specific role. Some tools scan for weak points, others exploit found vulnerabilities, and yet others help in data analysis. These tools are like a locksmith's kit for network security, helping us to understand where our defenses might falter. Remember, it's not about creating an impregnable fortress. No system is completely immune to threats. It's about understanding our weaknesses and addressing them. With the right tools, you can uncover vulnerabilities and strengthen your network against potential threats. Now, you might be thinking, what are some of these wireless pen testing tools? Well, let's dive into the world of wireless pen testing tools, as there are many different types, each with its unique features and functions. First on our list is Wireshark. Known as the world's foremost and widely used network protocol analyzer, Wireshark lets you see what's happening on your network at a microscopic level. It's a go-to tool for packet analysis, allowing you to dissect network packets, understand network protocols, and troubleshoot network issues. When it comes to deep diving into network traffic, Wireshark is your Sherlock Holmes. Next up, we have air cracking. This tool might sound like it's all about cracking and, well, you're not wrong. AirCrack-ing is a complete suite of tools designed to assess Wi-Fi network security. It's primarily used for cracking wireless passwords by capturing data packets to recover the encryption key. The versatility of AirCrack-ing makes it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to test the security of wireless networks. Last but not least, let's talk about Kismet. Kismet is more than just a tool. It's a wireless network and device detector, sniffer, and intrusion detection system. Kismet can sniff out any 802.11 Layer 2 wireless network traffic, including hidden networks. It can also detect and log networks and client devices that are within or passing through its range. If you're looking for a tool that can give you a detailed picture of the wireless landscape around you, Kismet is your best bet. These are just a few examples of the many wireless pen testing tools out there. Each tool has its strengths, and depending on your specific needs or the nature of the task at hand, you might find one more useful than the others. However, it's important to remember that these tools are not standalone solutions. Each tool has a distinct role in the pen testing process, making them all critical pieces of the puzzle. Knowing what these tools are is one thing, but how do you actually use them? This is where we delve into the practical side of wireless pen testing tools. Let's start with Wireshark, a popular tool for capturing and analyzing network traffic. This tool provides a real-time analysis of what's happening on your network. It can dissect hundreds of different protocol types, making it a versatile tool for any cybersecurity enthusiast. To use it, you simply start a new live capture, and Wireshark will begin recording all network traffic. You can then filter and analyze this data to uncover potential security vulnerabilities. Next, we have AirCrack-ing, which is primarily used to crack network passwords. This tool uses a method known as brute forcing, where it tries various combinations to crack a password. Here's a simplified explanation of how it works. You first capture data packets in your network using a technique called packet sniffing. Once you have enough data, AirCrack-ing begins its process of trial and error, attempting to crack the password. It's a bit like trying every possible key on a lock until you find the one that opens it. Lastly, let's talk about Kismet. This is a network detector, packet sniffer, and intrusion detection system. Kismet identifies networks by passively collecting packets and detecting standard named networks, detecting hidden networks, and inferring the presence of non-beaconing networks via data traffic. It's your radar system, alerting you to potential intrusions before they become a full-blown security issue. As you can see, each tool has its own unique capabilities and uses. Some are designed for deep network analysis, others for password cracking, and some for intrusion detection. But the key to effectively using these tools is understanding their capabilities and knowing when and how to deploy them. Remember, these tools are powerful, but they're only as effective as the person using them. Always use them responsibly and ethically. So, what have we learned about wireless pen testing tools today? We dove into the importance of these tools in our cybersecurity arsenal. As our world becomes more interconnected, the role of wireless networks in our daily lives continues to grow. From our smartphones to our refrigerators, the Internet of Things has made us more reliant on these networks than ever before. This increased reliance makes us more vulnerable to cyber threats. That's where wireless pen testing tools come into play. They're the cyber equivalent of a locksmith testing a lock to ensure it's sturdy and secure against burglars. These tools help us identify weak points in our otherwise fortified walls, allowing us to patch up vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. They're like the scouts on the front lines, always vigilant and ready to alert us of potential danger. This proactive approach to cybersecurity helps keep our information safe and our networks secure. We also explored the different types of wireless pen testing tools. Remember, diversity is key in a good pen testing toolkit. Some tools are designed to test the strength of Wi-Fi passwords. Others are more focused on identifying rogue access points or detecting potential packet sniffers. Each tool has its unique strengths and weaknesses, and knowing when to use each one is crucial in effective pen testing. Then there's the practical side of things. How to use these tools effectively. We've discussed the importance of understanding the tool's capabilities, knowing your network's architecture, and being clear about your pen testing objectives. Remember, a tool is only as good as the hands that wield it. You need to understand how to use these tools effectively to get the most out of them. Wireless pen testing tools are crucial for maintaining network security. They help us identify vulnerabilities so we can fix them and protect our networks. So there you have it, a snapshot of the world of wireless pen testing tools. Stay curious, stay ethical, and continue exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity.